just, I think 3 days ago, on the 14th morning, a serious earthquake took place in, oh yeah, I can't see your face properly. Okay. So, in Tibetan area, in sorry, Kasa Tsongbusa Chisuni, Kasa, Qinghe province. Actually, I also come from that area of Qinghe province, like that. So naturally, very sad. The people, their living standard low, and the education also quite backward. And then, last 50, 60 years, is it a constant sort of problems, fear. The fear become their way of life. On top of that, this major disaster happened. So very, very sad. So now firstly, I want to express my deep appreciation to those monks and also to some Tibetan who are neighboring that place. They really, I think, came to help or rescue these disaster area. So I very much appreciate. And the second point, I appreciate the Chinese government, the central government as well as the local government, like the Prime Minister Wen Jiabao himself, came to the place and helped. So I very much appreciate. So now one thing I want to tell our sort of the donors in different places, all there. I appreciate their, I think, humanitarian sort of support or help. I very much appreciate. In the meantime, they should check on the spot. All help should reach in the hands of those needy people. Then I personally feel the construction of new school, hospital, these are, I think, top most important. I always appeal some of individual friends as well as some NGOs in outside world. Any help inside Tibet, we always sort of welcome and very much appreciate. And then the help should concentrate on education and health. That I always telling our supporters. So this time also, I feel it is important. Of course, there are many other sort of works there, but should concentrate. I think first priority, number one priority for facility of education. Even 1 month sort of failed education, it's really a disaster for their whole life. So that's, I think, very important. That I want to share our helpers in different parts of the world, and also the Chinese government. I want to appeal. Then lastly, when I heard the earthquake in Sichuan about 2 years ago, we sent some donation, but the Chinese embassy in New Delhi declined to accept that. But then through Red Cross, International Red Cross, we sent. So at that time, also, I felt if there's opportunity to visit this area, I cannot do much, but still want to share their sadness. And then to those believers, you see, we can pray together like that. But then, of course, difficult. After that, in Taiwan, it is the typhoon. Also, you see, create a lot of sort of suffering. Then the local people invited me, and I visited, and they said, pray together. There's some, what's the benefit. So now this time, the Tibetan area, and also late Benjamin Lama and myself used to come from that province. So therefore, emotionally also, you see, I very much concerned, and I want to, if possibility, I want to go there and to share their sorrow, their pains, and want to some kind of prayer for dead people, and then some condolence to those remaining people. So these 3 points I want to share with you, and some written statement. Written statement. Just like that. So that's all. Thank you.